Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Check Windows Update and install any pending system patches because the game bar depends on recent components. Next, make sure you're signed into a Microsoft account and that Xbox services are running in services. This provides the backend. Once done, open Settings, go to Gaming, then Xbox Game Bar, toggle it on and verify the Win+G shortcut. This activates the app UI hooks, so the game bar can respond when you call it. Now you handle permissions and the app state. Open Privacy and Security and allow background apps plus microphone or camera if you plan to record. Without those, Game Bar may refuse to open. Then go to Apps, find Xbox Game Bar and choose Repair. If that fails, reset to clear corrupted settings. Once repaired, update or reinstall via Microsoft Store. Alternatively, run PowerShell as admin and re-register the package using the apps installer command to restore missing components and dependencies. Finish by rebooting or restarting Windows Explorer so the changes take effect. A restart often resolves lingering session issues. Verify Focus Assist and exclusive full-screen modes. Some games suppress overlays, and custom hotkeys can conflict with Win+G, so reassign if needed. If problems persist, create a temporary Windows user to isolate profile corruption or run SFC and DISM to repair system files. One key troubleshooting tip: test.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.